Welcome to our BeeWaTec workshop. In this and other videos, we'd like to show you what sets the BeeWaTec modular system apart, what components it includes, and how you can quickly and easily build your own solutions. BeeWaTec is particularly well known for its round pipe clamping system. The system is based on various pipe types with a uniform outer diameter of 27.6 millimeters, commonly referred to as 28 millimeters. Matching joints are available in numerous designs. These include, among others, the black-coated standard joints as well as galvanized versions for use in ESD areas. The joints are assembled using screws and nuts. Special screws with a flange are used, which ensure secure guidance and clamping. The pipes are inserted into the marked area of the joint. The markings indicate the permissible insertion depth and serve as a visual assembly aid. The screws are then tightened with an Allen wrench and secured to the specified torque. The tightening torques specified in the manual must always be observed, as these ensure the required holding forces while preventing overloading of the connection. Even with just a few components, a stable basic structure can be created. Advantages of the pipe connection system. The advantages of the pipe connection system are numerous. The components can be connected without mechanical processing, such as drilling or welding. Only the pipes, roller tracks, and long-length accessories need to be cut to the desired length. Workstations, shelving systems, material carts, or other operational equipment can then be assembled quickly and easily. A major advantage is the system's high flexibility. Subsequent changes can be made at any time by loosening, repositioning, and reattaching joints. In this way, the system supports the core principles of lean production. Workstations and material flows can be quickly adapted to new requirements without having to completely replace existing structures. It is important to ensure that the permissible loads, holding forces, and pull-out values specified in the manual are taken into account for every structure. These values form the basis for a safe and durable structure. Personal protective equipment. Before beginning work, the company's applicable safety guidelines must be followed. The required personal protective equipment depends on the specific task and should be coordinated with the company's internal safety regulations. In particular, when working with pipes, for example, when sawing, safety glasses and appropriate protective gloves are generally recommended. In addition, company requirements for safety shoes and other protective equipment must be taken into account. Required tools. We need various tools for assembly: pipe saw or pipe cutter, folding rule or measuring tape, Allen wrenches, torque wrench, soft face hammer, open-end wrenches for more complex installations and accessory components. In most cases, a suitable pipe saw is recommended for cutting pipes to length, as it allows for precise and cost-effective cuts. The BeeWaTec modular system. You can find all components of the modular system in our lean catalog. There are now over 2,500 different components available there. These include, among others, steel and aluminum pipes, joints and joint sets, roller tracks and side guides, press-fit sleeves, feet and casters, square profiles, lifting units, tools, lights, other functional add-on parts. These components can be used to build customized solutions for production, logistics, and assembly. For example, material flow routes can be set up using roller tracks, along which containers are transported by gravity alone down a gentle slope. Similarly, insertion sleeves can be used to securely fasten adjustable feet or casters inside the pipes. Special features of the steel joints. If we take a closer look at the inside of a steel joint, we can see the characteristic grip structure or prismatic structure. This ensures secure force transmission between the joint and the pipe. The joint shells also feature tabs for interlocking, known as a dovetail joint. This allows the two half shells to be easily connected and assembled. In addition, the joints have two markings. These indicate the permissible range for the insertion depth of the pipe and ensure proper installation. The pipe should be positioned within this marked range. The actual holding forces of the connection result from correct installation and the technical specifications in the manual. Aluminum pipes and system compatibility. In addition to the classic steel pipe system, BeeWaTec also offers aluminum pipes with an external clamping profile. These aluminum pipes also have an outer diameter of 28 millimeters. This allows the steel joints to be used with both pipe types. In addition, special aluminum joints are available that utilize the external profile of the aluminum pipes. These joints are available in both internal and external versions. Furthermore, the product portfolio includes aluminum square profiles. Some of these profiles have compatible connection surfaces, allowing round pipe and profile systems to be combined with one another. This enables the creation of hybrid structures that can be optimally tailored to requirements regarding cost, functionality, and load-bearing capacity. Important technical note. For every structure, the technical specifications in the current manual must be observed. This applies in particular to permissible loads on the pipes, holding forces of the joints, pull-out values of the pipe connections, permissible loads on feet and casters, required tightening torques, necessary bracing and stiffeners. Only by adhering to these specifications can the required load-bearing capacities and safety margins be ensured.